Hi guys, and welcome to our video today. Today we have a very lovely lady who has not been seen here in 7 months, and nobody has trimmed her toenails during that time. And so they're pretty long. And I chose to do this video from my point of view using my AI glasses, because her nails are so long, they're now growing around the front of the toe toward the bottom. And if we shot it from behind, like we often do from right back here, you wouldn't have been able to appreciate that these nails were so long and growing over the front. And then in addition, on her right fifth toe, what most of the world calls the baby toe, the nail was not only curving into an upside down U, but it was also like all the way around, like completing a circle, so that down here it could be pinching the skin that can get caught in between, so that can be really painful. So we trimmed everything for her. She was very happy. She's a lovely lady, and I hope that you enjoy our video today. I'm just gonna tip you back a little bit.
Okay.
And so what are the chances of getting you in here a little sooner?
I will.
Okay.
I
mean, last time
sick.
you've been sick?
Mm-hmm.
What's going on?
I have stomach problems, Dr. Sperman.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Mm-hmm.
And
I was in the hospital in March.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And is it getting better?
Yes.
Okay. I mean, last time it had been 7 months, but your daughter had been here and you'd gotten a pedicure.
You're right.
So everything looked really good.
Mm-hmm.
But this time you didn't.
Mm-mm. These look like alligators.
They kind of do. No, they're not bad. But I think you'll be a lot more comfortable if we can get you in sooner.
Okay.
So what we'll do is, if you feel like 2 months is too soon, and it probably is, we'll go, how about we do your next appointment at 3 months?
Okay.
That's usually a good amount of time for most people. And hopefully you won't be back to the hospital between now and then.
Right. Have you been traveling any?
I have not.
Mm.
I am going to someplace in Nowheresville, Wisconsin next week with a friend.
Okay.
And we're just going to relax, and there's nothing to do, nowhere to go, no shopping.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's an Airbnb with a nice deck on it where we can sit and read books, and yeah. So it's just a friend I've had for like 30 years.
Oh, good.
And she lives on the other side of Wisconsin, so we're meeting in the middle.
Mm. Just like I have a friend, we've been friends since junior high school.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this friend I met, we went to China at the same time when we adopted our daughters, and we were in the same group.
Okay.
And so the girls are almost 30 now,
Mm-hmm.
but we've stayed friends. All right, let's get this other foot done. How about you? Have you been doing anything fun?
Oh, no.
Just dealing with your medical stuff, huh?
Right. Going to appointments.
I remember once when I first started doing this, I had a patient say to me, you know, if it weren't for all my doctor's appointments, I'd have no social life at all. And I didn't really understand it then. Well, we're getting close to the 4th of July.
Yeah.
I know your apartment is right near Lake Minnetonka. Do they
Right.
do a lot of fireworks there?
Oh, yes. They have a big thing at night. You can see it from our place if you're standing in the right direction.
See, I always wanted to get like a condo
Mm-hmm.
where you, right near where they do fireworks, so you could watch them from the air conditioning
Mm-hmm.
and still enjoy them without the bugs.
Right. It'd be a lot of people down there, though.
I'm sure.
Mm-hmm.
It'd be a very popular place. All right. Now this one is curved around like a little upside down horseshoe,
Okay.
and it's kind of come all the way around in a circle.
Mm.
This one hasn't been painful?
Mm-mm.
Okay, good. Okay.
It feels good already.
Oh, good. I'm gonna trim this back a little bit more here.
Okay.
There's a lot of dead skin in there. And then this side also. And then this one, we're just gonna go a little bit shorter here. All right, well, everything is looking really good.
Thank you.
Thank you for letting me do the video while we trim these.
Mm-hmm.
All right, are you wearing socks today?
No.
Do you want lotion?
Yeah, you can put some lotion on.
Okay. All right, so these are gonna feel a lot better than when you walked in.
Oh, they feel better already.
Good. And then just go ahead and let's schedule on your way out. Let's make your
Okay.
next appointment for 3 months.
Okay.
Yeah. All righty. Well, have a great 4th of July.
Thank you. You do the same.
Maybe I'll knock on your door and say, can I come watch you the fireworks with you?